This is, I think, it's a good example, starting to create a dedicated workshop for adventure travel. We decided to attend because we have a small part of activities that are focused on not that much on adventure, but much more, I would say, of active holidays. So, I say, is it a good choice or not? Yes, it was a good choice because I could touch bases with accounts interested in this kind of experiences.
Yeah, we joined Adventure Europe this year. It's the first time that it's ran. The first one for us, but I understand the first one for ETOA. It was perfect, really. We do a lot in that space because of our youth market. They really love everything adventure orientated. So to have all those providers in one room, in a space that we're trying to do more and more in that field, it was terrific. And so we actually had some great connections formed from that, which we are looking to implement into our product in 2025 and beyond. So very beneficial.